Let me show you 8D Manager in action. First, when you open it up, you will see a list of all of your previous internal and external corrective actions. From this list, you can quickly narrow down problems you've had for a particular customer. So for example, I'm going to click on Crimson Colors because that's the customer I'm interested in. And then I'm going to hit Filter. And that shows me all the corrective actions I have for Crimson Colors. Now I'm interested in one particular corrective action from Crimson Colors. And this was number 805. So I can quickly click Edit 8D Form. With the form open, we can see our traceabilities and the 8D actions. Here we have our team. Here we have our findings. Then we have containment, the root cause, the corrective action, the verification to all the actions, and the preventive action. Let's say we need to add another corrective action. What's nice about 8D Manager is that we can have unlimited number of corrective actions or root cause or preventive actions or containment actions added to the list. So I'm going to add another corrective action, and this will be the fourth corrective action. And let's say we're going to add inspection. I'm going to assign the owner of the action, and the due date. After you enter in all your 8D actions, you then will need to print the report to either send to your customer or bring to a meeting. And it's very simple with 8D Manager. You just click Print 8D Report, and here is the 8D report. This 8D report will show every action for each of the 8 disciplines. Each discipline will grow or shrink depending on the number of corrective actions that you have. Your traceabilities will also grow or shrink depending on what information you've put in there. This 8D report is a professional looking report for you to give to your customer. Your customer can then quickly read through the report and understand all the actions you've taken to prevent the root cause. .8D Manager lets you keep track of all the supporting documentation. So for example, if you got the complaint from a customer, at the bottom of the form you can go in and hyperlink to that file. So here's the file. Hit OK. And now we're hyperlinked to that file. What's nice about hyperlinking is that when time goes by, there's going to be some time when you want to review the original corrective action and all the supporting documentation. So you go back into 8D Manager, you find the corrective action, and at the bottom you have all the hyperlinks to the supporting documentation, and all you need to do is click on the document to open it up. On top of the 8D form, you can see a bunch of labels such as serial number, lot number, revision, drawing, etc. With 8D Manager, you can change these labels to match your company's needs. From the 8D Manager list, I can quickly tell to see what corrective actions are open. All I need to do is click on a blank Open Corrective Action, and then click on Filter by Selection. And here's a list of my open corrective actions. Now that I have a list of open corrective actions, if I want to print one of these, I just need to click anywhere along the row and then click on Print 8D. If you're interested in seeing all the corrective actions you've done internally for the company, you just go under Type You click on the word internal, and then you select filter by selection, and notice it has all the internal corrective actions for your company. For ISO 9001 certification, your company must document, manage, and handle customer complaints, internal corrective actions, and preventive actions. AD Manager helps you meet those requirements by keeping all the documentation in one place. When you're dealing with customer complaints, you do not want to repeat previous statements from old corrective actions for that customer. Customers monitor this and become perturbed when this occurs. So AD Manager prevents you from repeating statements because you can easily see the entire problem history for a given customer.